The Hussmann Corporation understands the importance of being a good corporate citizen and the role of being a good steward of our planet. In our manufacturing facilities, we separate materials for recycling or, when necessary, landfill. Throughout our plant, we have specific containers for glass, plastic, and cardboard materials. We have a collection program for recycling wooden pallets. A powder coating system is energy efficient for painting our cases, designed to reduce the air contaminants within our factory. We are converting all of our forklifts from propane to battery, as well as installing motion sensor lights within our storage areas to save on the use of electrical power. Throughout the manufacturing plant, we have installed T5 fluorescent lights, as well as GPS-controlled skylights that maximize the reflection of the sun rays to light up the production areas. The company strives to use energy-efficient fans, E+ coils, and LED lights in our refrigerated cases.